In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Chrome from blocking downloads. If Chrome keeps interrupting files you know are safe, it's because its built-in safe browsing feature is designed to protect you from malicious or unwanted software. That protection is helpful most of the time, but occasionally it can be too aggressive and prevent downloads you trust. I'll show you exactly where to change the settings so Chrome stops blocking, and I'll explain the trade-offs so you can make an informed choice. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the browser window and select the three vertical dots to open the main menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's settings page where everything about privacy and safety is organized. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles data, site permissions, and protections while you browse. Next, click Security. Here you'll see Chrome's safe browsing options, which are responsible for warning you about dangerous sites and blocking suspicious downloads. To stop Chrome from blocking downloads, choose No Protection. When you select this, Chrome will display a clear warning explaining that turning off safe browsing removes alerts for harmful sites, extensions, and files. Read that message carefully. If you're comfortable proceeding, for example, because you trust the exact source and file you're getting, confirm your choice. After this change, Chrome will no longer automatically block downloads, and you can attempt your download again without restarting the browser. A few important notes to keep you safe. Use No Protection sparingly and only when you're confident about the file and where it comes from. Consider turning protection back on once you've finished the specific download by returning to the same security page and selecting a safer level. If your browser is managed by an organization, you might find this option locked. In that case, you'll need to follow your organization's policies. Also, if another security tool on your device or network is blocking the file, Chrome's setting won't override that. If you ever change your mind, you can return to this security screen at any time and switch back to standard or enhanced protection to bring back Chrome's safeguards. This change affects your entire browsing session for that profile, not just a single website or tab, so stay attentive. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, opened Privacy and Security, selected Security, and chosen No Protection to stop Chrome from blocking your downloads. Stay cautious, keep your browser up to date, and only download from sources you genuinely trust.